Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक देव बरे दीस दिवन म्हणटा तुमकां आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं. Hope you are all doing well. As the mango seasons is here, let's make a new pickle, and that is called MangoLaccha Pickle, or Aam ka Lachha, or you can just say Mango Pickle. And what you need ingredients is this is 1.5 kg of mangoes, which I will wash it nicely, and then we have to slice it with the thin slices. Then we need, for this quantity we need around 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Then we need 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, which is this color. It is yellow in color. Then we need 2 tablespoons of black color, fine one, mustard seeds. Then we will be using half teaspoon of this. Okay, half teaspoon of ajwain, that is carom seeds. Then we need 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, and this is (11) of Kashmiri chilies, 3 of garlic. So you have to take out the skin. This much of ginger, and these are like 25 green chilies, Goan chilies. Okay, this is not from any other part of India. This is Goan green chilies, which is not very spicy, and this is also Goan Kashmiri chilies. Means in other places you get spicy Kashmiri chilies. They don't use also that Kashmiri word, and this only what I found in Goa, Kashmiri chilies. Then we need salt to taste, and a little bit of asafeda, that is hing, half teaspoon of this. So first we'll have to roast all this, leaving this. We have to roast all this and grind to fine powder. Now we also will be adding this black til, that is sesame, around 1 tablespoon of this. For this quantity, this is the ingredients what you need. So I will roast this. Measurement is this, for half, and measurement for this is this. So use the measurement what you get in Amazon, or whatever you have at home. Try to use that. Next procedure, I will show you how to use chilies and this along with our mango, and why it is called lachha. So I roasted all this, and now I will grind to a fine coarse, not powderish but fine coarse. दरदरा पीसना चाहिए. ओके, मातशे मोठे मोठे वांटून घेयात, बारीक सुबेस करी नाका. Here is our pickle masala is ready. Now we will wash this and cut this, and also remove the skin and keep it whole. Matlab remove the skin of one. Okay, we want like this cut pieces of mangoes. So here are my chilies, garlic and ginger. Cut after cut I have washed it. Now we'll add few curry leaves to this. So few curry leaf for flavor. Mustard oil half cup. 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. And we'll add our chili to this. So we'll fry this all. Now we'll add our chilies. Medium flame. And fry this nicely. Now we'll add our masala. Now we'll put off the gas and let it come to room temperature, let it cool down, then we will add to our mangoes, okay? If you need to add more oil, you can add more oil. If you need to reduce oil, then you can add less oil. But half cup you need for this recipe. Off the gas. Now we'll add 1 lime juice to this. This will help to preserve also, and little bit of sourness also. We'll add little bit salt to this. And then remaining we have to add salt for our mangoes, and turmeric powder also will go for the mangoes. Now we'll take this in a bigger vessel. So we need to mix this. And for this we will add salt. It is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to this. And we'll add 2 tablespoons of salt to this. Tablespoon, okay? again, salt ratio, less and more, it's up to you. Now we'll mix this. And we'll add our chili, garlic, and all this mix. Mix this nicely. Laccha mango pickle is ready. You can have it with chapatis. Now we have to keep this for one day, then you can put it in your jar. Enjoy this pickle. Do let me know. Taste and see. Tasty pickle. Yummy. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this pickle. मानता तुमकां हे पिक्कल आवडटलें. कोरात, पावसाक दोरात, एवरीडे खायात, सोयऱ्यांक वाटात, फ्रेंडांक वाटात, भाकरे बरोबर खायात, दाल रायसा बरोबर खायात. एन्जॉय. Wow. So. Just enjoy. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक. MangoLaccha pickle is ready to eat.